Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a bag reveal for you. This is a bag that I purchased about a month ago and I never did an unboxing on it for a couple of reasons. One reason is because I didn't have time. I had to use it the very next day, and so I didn't really have time to do a good quality video for you, and I didn't want to half-ass it, so I decided to just do a reveal later on down the road. The other reason is that I wasn't exactly happy about the circumstances under which this bag came into my possession. So the bag that I'm going to reveal to you is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is that bag? Look at that canvas. It has the most beautiful sheen and luster to it. And I do not do anything to my Louis Vuitton bags as far as like the canvas or anything. I haven't treated the leather straps, the vachetta. I have not treated any of that. I just love it. It's so, so pretty. So this is the bag that I wanted to be my very first Louis Vuitton bag, but it didn't happen that way because when I went in to purchase it, the sales associate that was helping me at the time said that the bag was way too big for me, that I wasn't tall enough, yada, yada, yada. It looked like the bag was wearing me instead of me wearing the bag. So I ended up not getting it and I went with an MM size, which that's fine. I love my MM Neverfull, absolutely 100%. It's perfect for an everyday bag, for a handbag, but that's not big enough for me if it's going to be an actual like tote, like for work and school and everything else. So I really did need the GM size. I'm so glad that I got it finally. The other reason I didn't do an unboxing is because, like I said, I wasn't really happy about the circumstances under which this beauty came to be in my possession. And that is because I had to exchange my Berry MM in order to get this. My Berry MM started having problems with the strap on the end, and I had only used it like 10 times. Like, I had barely used it, and the little loop was starting to stretch out. And I know a lady who has had hers for about a year, and her strap on the end completely broke off. So I definitely didn't want that to happen. I contacted June, who is my client advisor at the Louis Vuitton store at the Domain in Austin, and she asked me to send her some pictures or maybe a video, which I did both. And within an hour, she called me back and told me I can either get my money back or I can exchange it or they can repair it. So I opted to go ahead and exchange it because I knew I wanted to add the Neverfull GM to my collection. So I went ahead and just did an exchange. And so I did go with the beige interior. And this bag is enormous. It's absolutely enormous. You can fit so much stuff in it, and I use it. I've been using it every day for about a month, and the straps have already softened up quite a bit. Like, they are almost to the point where they will lay down, and the side cinch straps are very soft and malleable. I mean, like, they're very, very soft. I love how this bag is so floppy, and I'm gonna have this bag in my collection absolutely forever. I don't plan on ever getting rid of it. It's going to go on every single trip with me, no matter where to. If I'm going somewhere, this bag is gonna go with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a what's in my bag and kill 3 birds with 1 stone. So I'm gonna do the reveal, a little miniature review, and then what's in my bag. So as you can see, I do have an organizer inside my bag. This bag is so huge. Like, I have so much more room to put things in this bag. I could literally just like fit my life in here. I don't have my laptop in here at the moment, but I sometimes will carry my laptop, and I'll just put my laptop beside the organizer, like between the organizer and the bag itself. So the first thing that I have up here is a bag of Bear and they're coconut chips. These are really good if you're trying to eat healthy, snack healthy. These things are great. They are not as high in calories as if you were like eating a candy bar or something. And these are the honey ones, and they're really good. They also have chocolate. I bought both the honey and the chocolate, and I think I kind of like the honey ones better. The chocolate ones kind of taste like they're burnt. So I have those in my bag. I have a bill that I have to pay. I have my, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I think I'm just gonna take the whole organizer out. No, that's okay. I'll take the organizer out later. So I have some receipts from Dillard's and Smoothie King and Kroger's. I have my mini Pichette in here. And it is jam-packed full of stuff. It's like a little medicine bag. I have my, you saw the video I did on this. It was in my Amazon luxury dupes video. This is an RFID scanner safe card holder, and I got it on Amazon, like I said, and it holds all kinds of cards. Like, it's, I love it so much. If you're interested, I will link the video that has the information for this down below. But yeah, I have this in there. I love this. I've been using it every day since I got it. It's amazing. I have this little case that is from Furla, and I usually just keep my power cubes in here and my son's power cord, but it's not in here at the moment because he must have needed it or something, so I took it out. I have some ibuprofen. Oh my gosh. I have some ibuprofen because I get headaches really bad. And I also have a fractured bone in my hand from during spring break, and I didn't know it was fractured until just recently. So you can kind of see it's a little swollen. So I've been taking ibuprofen for that, so that's why I went and bought the whole bottle. And then I have my Cosmetic Pouch. This is the small one from Louis Vuitton, and it is packed full of items. If you want to know what I have in my Cosmetic Pouch, I will let you know. I have some Lumify eye brightening drops. I love those things. I have the Buxom lip gloss in the color Dolly. I have I have Kat Von D's lip gloss in the Lolita. It's actually a liquid lipstick. It's not a lip gloss. I have my prescription eye drops for allergies. I have a Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I have a little sponge in case I need it. I have a Buxom Big T's deluxe size mascara. I have another Kat Von D, and this is the color Lolita number 2. I have an Elizabeth & James Nirvana Rose Rollerball. I love this perfume. It's so pretty. I get so many compliments every time I wear it. I have a Rimmel black eyeliner. I have a MAC lip liner in the color Spice. It's very pretty. It's one of my favorites. Actually, that one was Boldly Bare. This one is Spice. I have 2 MAC lip liners. I have a blush by Tarte, and this is in the color Sweet. And I'm hitting pan on that. It's a really colorful, like pretty pinky color for summer. I have my Jo Malone lip conditioner, my little tweezers from Tweezerman. These are new, and there's 3 in there. I'm sorry if you can hear music in the background. There's music being played outside. And then I have my Benefit What's Up highlighter. I love this stuff. It's so pretty, and it lasts forever. I've had that so long. I have a small L'Occitane lotion. I don't like to carry large lotions in my bag. I have a Rimmel flesh colored eye pencil, which if you've watched my past videos, you know that I use this as a little touch-up concealer. I have a couple of spoolies, and I have some bobby pins, a little brush for my blush, a mirror, a little mirror from Arbonne. I've had that so many years. And then I have my blotting papers that you've seen in every What's in My Bag, this exact same pack for like the last year. So that is now empty. So that was in my bag. I have my Kaisa wallet. I had a reviewer ask me to do a wear and tear video on this. So I did a 1-month wear and tear, but I will do another wear and tear video because I've had this for quite a while now. I've had it for about 9 months and it's holding up beautifully. Like, I love this wallet. And then I also have my Samsung battery charger. This is a really good one. Like, it has so many, like, it tells you how many charges you have left. You can turn it on and off. I have my Ted Baker eyeglasses. I have recently had to start wearing reading glasses. Yes, that is the beauty of aging. And I really love these. I love the case. It has that beautiful blue color. And I like these because they have like a Tiffany blue color on the outside of them. And they're just like tortoise shell. Let's see if I can, there we go. They do have the blue light stuff in them. Oh gosh, I'm not really an eyeglass person. Okay, let me just take those off. That was embarrassing. Okay, for reading only. And then I have some pens to write in my planner. These are the Stettler pens. I have the pack of like 50 or something like that. Like, there's so many of them in there. I have my little pink leather pouch that I keep all of my iPhone accessories in, like my headphones and my charging cable. And I have my Key Australia sunglasses. These are the Desi Perkins High Key Minis. So they have mini if you have a small head like mine and you have to wear the smaller size. I love these sunglasses so much. I've been wanting them for a while and then I finally found them and purchased them. So, and they come with this clear case and I really like it because like it's just firm enough to protect the glasses. And then I have my little pen case. It says, what does it say? Wildflower on it. And it comes with 2 pens. It's really pretty. I picked that up at Barnes & Noble. And I just really like this because it's so like minimalistic. It's small and tiny. You can put your pens in it. And then I have my key clay that is hanging on the D-ring right here. So let me take that off and show it to you. My little clay Pichette. And I just have my car key in there and my post office box key. So I do have a post office box now. So if you guys wanted to send me any kind of correspondence or anything like that, I do have a P.O. box and I will put it down below in the description of this video. And then the other thing that I got when I picked up this bag, because the Berry MM cost more than this bag, was I picked up the Damier Graphite Pichette clay. And I really like this because it has silver hardware instead of gold. And I use this just to keep like gift cards and stuff in. But this is what the little thing looks like. It's silver instead of gold. And I just really like this piece. This is actually part of the men's line, but I really liked it and I thought it was different, so I went ahead and got it. So I have the Damier Graphite Pichette clay also. And then I think that is it. Oh, and then I have some more bills. I have my text tag bill that I still have to pay. I'm just like waiting for them to run me down on the toll road one day and just haul me in because I haven't paid my toll tag fees yet. Anyway, and then I also have the mini Pichette that comes with, or it's not a mini Pichette, I guess it's just a Pichette that comes with the Neverfulls. And this one is the same size that you get with the MM. And it holds so much stuff. Like, I have feminine products in here at the moment. And then of course my trusty little book that has all of my passwords and stuff in it, you know, everything they tell you you're not supposed to do. And then I also have some wipes from Joe's Crab Shack. I just kept these in case I needed them. You know, why leave them on the table when, you know, you could have some emergency or something in your car and need a wipe, and so I have them. So anyway, so that is everything that is in my bag. I'm going to take this out so I can show you the actual interior of the bag and how roomy it is. Oh, I forgot. So I have the zipper compartment here, and I didn't show you what was in there. I don't have a whole lot in my zipper compartment. I have my home alarm fob, and I have my little mints, and oh, and then I picked this up when we were on vacation, and it's just a seashell. But the what I liked about it is it's really smooth right here, and it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of satisfying. It's kind of like one of those little thinking stones or something that you just kind of, it's just, I don't know. My son found it, and so I kept it. Anyway, so that is everything that is in my bag. So this is the bag empty. Stuff falling everywhere. This is the bag empty. It is enormous. The pochette is attached to the D-ring over here on the side. I did decide to go with the beige interior because I feel like the beige interior is so classic, and I just didn't want to get tired of having like pink showing out of the top of my bag, because this bag is so open all of the time. And for this particular style, I do love the pink color, don't get me wrong, but just for this particular style, I always wanted the beige interior, so I decided to just keep it classic and go with the beige. Also, the other thing that I liked was the fact that I wanted on this pochette for there to not be a pop of hot pink color right here. I wanted to be able to, you know, just kind of like use it with whatever I want to use it with and not have to worry about the fact that there's like pink showing. And then also the interior of this is beige, and it also has another little slip pocket. So currently this bag retails for $1,440. They have not had a price increase yet on these bags, which really surprises me because they haven't had a price increase in over a year now. Their last price increase was not this past February, but the one before. And these went up like by $60, I want to say. So they haven't had a price increase. They're still $1,400. And yeah, so I'm so excited to add this beauty to my collection. Sad that I got rid of the Berry MM, but I am going to be adding another hobo bag to my collection. I do have an unboxing to show you. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful evening, and I'll see you later.